Do you want to change your date of birth in Facebook? You can change your birthday on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change your date of birth on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Facebook profile screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the edit icon. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down and find the Personal Details section. Under Personal Details, find and tap on your date of birth. A new screen will open. Now, tap on Edit Your Date of Birth. It will take you to the birthday editing screen. Select your new day, month, and year from here. Once done, tap the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Now, your updated date of birth will appear on your Facebook profile.